Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW M3 Competition in Portimao Blue Metallic with the black interior. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW M3 Competition in Portimao Blue Metallic. We just saw the welcome light shimmer there because I just pressed unlock. And since I've got the key with me, press and hold panic for 1 second. We can get the full low beam system on through the pathway lighting option. So let me do a lap all the way around this car. Portimao Blue looks really awesome, especially for a standard blue color, not an individual color. I think it's a really great blue choice. And really shows off the body lines. And I think just the M cars look really good in Portimao Blue. So let me just get all the way around here and we can take a closer look at all the details. So we got Portimao Blue Metallic. I really like this color. I think it looks really good on pretty well every car that I've seen it on. And it's not too dark, it's not too bright, it's just a nice blue. And it really shows off the body lines. We've got some lines coming down the hood, sculpted arches. We have the rondelle here, and we've got the now iconic G chassis M kidney grille, which is vertical with the horizontal slats. We have the M3 competition badging on the driver's side there. And this one also has the M exterior carbon package, so we do have these nice carbon air intake ducts down here. Those look real nice. And we have the front facing camera, some parking sensors, and I hope the front plate doesn't get onto the front of this car because it looks really good without it. And at the sides here you can see we've got some functional air as well. But overall front end looks awesome. And let's do another little unlock so you can see those headlights dancing like that. And let's take a closer look at the headlights. So we have the Shadowline BMW LEDs with the blue accents in there. These are what we call the snake eye headlights. Look real good. And if we come around to the side here, you'll see that we have the 19-inch front and the 20-inch rear. Double spoke 826M wheels in jet black with the M compound, blue M compound brake back there. Looking nice. And it looks like we have some Michelin PS4S on here. We have the M competition air breather. We have the black rocker panel at the bottom here. Side profile view looks really awesome. And there's your rear 20-inch 826M wheel with the blue caliper there. And I love looking at this wide rear quarter. We also have touch comfort access on all 4 door handles. We have the black window surrounds. Car was also tinted 35%. We have the M carbon wing mirror with the integrated turn signal and side camera. We also have the carbon fiber roof up top. New style antenna. Here's your Hofmeister kink. And man, just look at this angle here. When you see this angle with the rear quarter sticking out like that and it even kind of blocks the view of the rear door, man, that's crazy. We have the carbon fiber spoiler on the trunk lid. And we have those iconic L-shaped taillights on with the vertical reflectors down at the bottom. And you'll see down here we also have the carbon fiber rear diffuser with the quad exhaust tips. And we have the black M3 competition badging with the silver lining here. Now if I go ahead and press and hold the tailgate button and the key, we can get that to open up. Inside here you'll see that we have the release levers up top on either side to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. We have your carpeted mats. There's a little plastic bin there. The front plate bracket is there right now. We also have a grocery bag hanger here. We have a little netted area, and inside of here we have your tire inflator kit with a wheel lock key in here and tow hook in the back part, just right there, and a little box that has another wheel lock key and the original bolts that have been replaced by the wheel lock keys, or the wheel lock, sorry. Button here to close, another one to close and lock, so we can press close for now. Looking good. Now if we come around to the passenger side, the fuel cap door is right here, connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 93 octane. BMW M recommends Shell V-Power. Counterclockwise, one click. There's a spot to put this, and when you're done, it's just clockwise, one click. Now if I go ahead and open that rear door, you'll see inside that we have the black merino leather interior, and we have some stitching going across the door panel, ambient light, Harman Kardon sound system, door pocket. We've got the galvanic window controls there. Here's a look at the seats on the inside with the M tricolor seat belts. And we've got the headrest that can flip down in the center, pass through to the center as well. And up top we have the black headliner. We also have the reading lights, coat hanger, and handle on each side. And on the back of the center console, you'll see that we actually have some vents, rear climate controls, and 2 USB Type-C charging ports. These are the winter mats, and there's also some vents underneath the front seats. So let's shut this door, and let's open up the front passenger door next. So once that opens up, you have some stitching going across the door panel. We have unlock lock, galvanic window control, ambient light, Harman Kardon, door pocket, aluminum M3 door sill. We also have the full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. M3 illuminates on the headrest here, lots of bolstering, and manual under the thigh extension. We also have the new style vents, carbon fiber interior trim, curved display with iDrive 8.5, which is the M specific display, stitching across the top here, and down here, if I open that up, we have a little box here that I think contained this part there, which a customer requested to have installed. It's illuminated in there as well. And we have some cascading ambient light. I've selected the azure color to match the exterior. Open that up, you'll see that we have a wireless charger, USB-A, cup holders, 12-volt plug, M gear selector with the M tricolor stitching, red push start button, and we also have the M3 competition thing there. And down here, USB Type-C, it's illuminated. So let's shut that, and let's shut this door. We'll go to the driver's side next. All right, if I open up the driver door, you'll see on the inside here that we have a little sticker here because the windows were just tinted, but we do have the galvanic window controls here, side mirror controls, and we have unlock lock, door pull, memory, tailgate release down here, M3 aluminum door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster once again. Those seats look awesome. And over here we have the flat bottom steering wheel with carbon fiber on the face. We also have the carbon fiber shift paddles with the red grips on the back. M at 6 o'clock, flat bottom, red at 12 o'clock. We also have the head-up display here with the little stitching going around here. And if I just jump in here for a second, I can see that we have just the regular good old-fashioned cruise control. And we have automatic back park and parallel park. And we have the backup assistant, which goes backwards 50 meters the way you went forwards. We also have the 3D view. You can also see this through the My BMW app. Also a view to help you line up to get into the car wash. And up top, we've got some reading lights, SOS for roadside assistance. We've got some buttons here for garage door pairing. And up top, the visor can come down. Open that, the light turns on, and the visor can actually come out, and it can extend out as well. So now that we've had a chance to look inside of here, let me just jump out. And down here, we've got your exterior lighting controls. We have a storage space. There's your pedals down here. And here's your hood release. It's 2 pulls, 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful S58 3-liter inline-6 twin turbo, 523 horsepower, 479 foot-pounds of torque. We have the triangular strut brace, positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal, washer fluids over here. And of course, BMWs have 2 latches under the hood, so they just both have to close at the same time. So if I bring the hood about halfway, literally just send her down. Perfect. All right, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around. Portimao Blue just looks real good. Maybe I'm just a blue car kind of guy, but I do like a lot of our different blues. And you know, BMW is famous for our blue paints. So since I'm back here, I've got the key with me. 1, 2, 3 on the lock button. So this is what the remote engine start, cold start sounds like. So we're gonna let that cool down a little bit. And now it's settled down a bit. 1, 2, 3 on the lock button. So how did you like that remote engine start, cold start sound? And how do you like this spec M3? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW M3 Competition in Portimao Blue Metallic with the Black Merino Leather inside. And we got the black 826M wheels, we got the blue brakes on there. So if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.